Okay, so let's jump in to promoting on social media, because a lot of people, that is where they're going to be promoting their stuff, especially if they don't have a website. So, promoting on social media, you need to figure out what your account is going to be about. So, whether you want to create an account that is yourself as a brand, maybe want to be an influencer of some sort, maybe that is your account. Or maybe you have an account based off of your business. I have my own social media management, Pinterest management business. So on certain accounts, I will talk about the digital products that I use, and I have affiliate links to certain tools, such as like my email platform and my graphic design platform that I use. Or maybe you want to create a niched account or a specific industry type of account. So maybe you want to have a beauty or makeup account. The accounts that have like the best Target finds or Amazon finds. If you're interested in couponing, a couponing account. Mom life in general, where you can just talk about different mom products, but also that could be formed into a influencer account as well. Maybe you like fashion, you want to talk about fashion and accessories and all that. So figure out what your account is going to be about. What type of content are you going to talk about, and what is your main purpose? Are you building a business and also occasionally going to promote affiliate marketing, or is affiliate marketing going to be the main form of income that you want to bring in? So really brainstorm it, figure that out. How do you want to piece that together? So once you do this is going to help your audience become more interested in what you're posting and really just grow your audience. Have those people that actually are interested in your content and what you are giving to them. You want to create videos talking about your favorite programs or products, and then mention you can find the product in the link on your profile. It's really important to tell people where to go, because people sometimes don't just assume they're going to go to the website and find it themselves. If you don't say, you can find this product in the link on my profile, something like that, they're not going to know to go all the way to your main profile and go to the link in there. So that's very important too. But as we talk about promoting that product, we also need to make sure that our audience knows these are affiliates. By law, the Federal Trade Commission, the FTC, requires it. You need to make sure you disclose that you are an affiliate for a program. Any product, service you're recommending, they need to know that you're an affiliate. If you don't have a disclosure like on the website that you're linking to, you need to have a disclosure on your video, or even in your description, like such as TikTok. You can say it's a good way to put in TikToks is to use the hashtag ad. That is a good way and recommended way to let people know it is an affiliate and is approved by the FTC. Although, if your link is directing to a landing page, whether it's on your website or a Linktree landing page, you can create a disclosure as well on there. So remember that.